Hey, it's your girl Steph B, and I'm so excited that BoxyPopUp is finally here. I just absolutely love the BoxyPopUp season, as you can tell. So there are so many amazing products featured in BoxyPopUp that we can't speak about every single one of them, but we are going to talk about two selected brands today. We're talking about Sunday Riley and Marc Jacobs. And the first one is going to be the Bright Young Thing Visible Skin Brightening Kit from Sunday Riley. So in this kit, you have the Title Sunday Riley Water Cream, the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment, and you also have the CEO Rapid Lash Brightening Serum. So you get your day serum and you get your 2 night creams. So I've heard so many great reviews about this specific product. You guys, this is the Juno Antioxidant Superfood Face Oil. If you have skin that is normal, sensitive, and dry, this is definitely the perfect product for you, especially if your skin concerns are fine lines, dryness, and dullness. This is the package. Honestly, it's pretty hefty. You get a lot in this for some oil. So the next product is the CEO 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. You guys, Sunday Riley literally has a product for everyone's skin type and skin concern. This particular product is great if you have normal, dry combination and oily skin. And if your skin concerns are dark spots, dullness, dryness, this is definitely the product for you. This is definitely the product for me, honestly, because I have oily skin and I definitely have some dark spots, and I'm so ready to use this vitamin C infused product. Look at the size of this product compared to the value. You're definitely getting your bang for your buck. And it's glass, which makes it so much more luxurious. This is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. I've heard so many great reviews about this particular product. I have yet to try it, but I'm so here for it, and I honestly can't wait, simply because this is an advanced strength retinoid serum. Alrighty, so next we have the Marc Jacobs Undercover Perfecting Coconut Eye Cream. This is formulated with coconut extracts and is proven to last up to 12 hours when used with your eyeshadow. Let's check out this pigment. So nice, silky to the touch. We're going to be talking about the Electric Marc Jacobs Iconic Multi-Finish Eye Palette. You guys, this palette is beautiful. First of all, it's already gotten my attention from the package. So you guys, let's get into the colors. Wow, this is beautiful. This is giving me everything about runway vibes. So sleek and so nice. This is timeless. Every single color in here is timeless. Beautiful to layer your eyes and dress them up. Next, we have the Marc Jacobs Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick. You guys, I just absolutely love the packaging of this product. Very nice, right? But then look at this. Cute. This is in the shade, honey. So you guys, this is a limited edition sheer textured lip gloss. I just want to try this on so bad, so I'm definitely gonna do that. Ooh yeah, this is nice. You guys know the drill. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up so we can continue doing more videos just like this. See you later. Bye.